If you prefer a hands-on approach to home improvement and love a DIY project, you can count on Focus on Energy to have rebates that help you save on energy-efficient upgrades you make on your home, like insulation and air sealing. When it comes to weatherization, making sure your insulation and air sealing are in peak condition can significantly increase the comfort of your home. Properly installed insulation and air sealing keeps the air where you want it. Cool air inside during the summer, warm air during the winter. Sealing up any spots where air can leak out is an additional way to keep your home cozy year-round without using excess energy. Both also go a long way in improving your home's air quality by keeping out pollution and reducing allergens. Interested in completing your own insulation and air sealing project? You may qualify for DIY rebates up to $200 that cover measures like attic air sealing, attic ventilation, insulation, and sill box sealing and insulation. If your attic is more than 600 square feet, with insulation below the joists, and your utility participates in Focus on Energy, you may be a great candidate for our rebates. Visit our handy guide to learn more. When committing to a DIY project, proper preparation ensures your project will run smoothly. Start by sketching out your floor plan to make sure you've got the materials you need, which can save you time and headaches. Next, clean and empty your attic and bring up the tools you'll need to avoid making multiple trips mid-project. When you're ready to begin, keep the area well lit and wear protective gear, like disposable coveralls and knee pads. Visit our site for a comprehensive how-to guide. Once your attic is insulated and sealed, collect the following for your rebate application: your attic layout sketch, pictures of certain features of your attic, after photos, and final photos showing the insulation depth. You'll also need your utility names and account numbers. While some solutions are simple enough to do yourself, sometimes relying on a trusted contractor is much easier. Our trade allies are contractors and service providers who partner with Focus on Energy to deliver energy efficiency, renewable energy products, and technical expertise directly to Wisconsin residents. Plus, there are still plenty of great residential rebate opportunities to help you save up to $3,470. Focus on Energy rebates aren't the only way to save on home energy projects. Your household may be eligible for other programs including instant discounts, IRA home energy rebates, weatherization assistance programs, and utility rebates. Plus, if qualified, you can combine rebates for even more savings. Check out focusonenergy.com/get-started to learn more. Whether you choose to DIY your weatherization project or prefer to hire a trusted contractor for the job is up to you. And either way, Focus on Energy has insulation and air sealing rebates to help you save on your home upgrades. To figure out if DIY is right for you and to learn more about our insulation and air sealing rebates, visit focusonenergy.com/residential/DIY or call 800-762-7077.